Now we are going to deal with the Swing GUI. So now we are going to learn about the Swing API. Let us first get to the theory section of it. So Swing API is a set of extensible GUI component to ease the developer's life to create Java-based front-end GUI application. It is built on the top of AWT API and acts as a replacement of AWT API since it has almost every control corresponding to AWT controls. JButton class. The class JButton is an implementation of push button. This component has a label and generates an event when pressed. It can have image also. JTextField class. The class JTextField is a component which allows the ending of single line of text. JLabel class. A JLabel object provides text instruction or information on a GUI. Display a single line of read-only text, an image, or both text and image. See, so in the example we are going to use all three of it. So before moving forward, just we can have some look at event handling in Java. Event. An event is an object that describes a state change in a source. Some of the activities that causes event to be generated are pressing a button, entering a character through keyboard, selecting an item from a list, etc. The action listener interface. The interface defines the action performed method that is invoked when an action event occurs. Its general form is shown here. Void action performed, action event AE. So this was the event handling. Now let us move forward to the example. So first of all, what you have to do is new, go to file new, then write new project name like I am writing login page example. Now create inside the source, go to new, then others, and you can see there is a select wizard. You can see all the folders inside it, but you have to find Windows Builder. Now I think that some of you don't have this Windows Builder inside it. So for this, what you have to do is what I'm going to do, just follow it. So what you have to do is go to help, go to install new packages, and then find the http download eclipse dot. Again, you can see the dependencies what you want for your program to build. You just have to develop a Swing GUI, that is graphic user interface. Now go to next. I accept the terms and done. And this is done, guys. And it will ask you for restarting the Eclipse. So let it be. Let it restart. It is restarting. So this example will be explained through programming, but you can access to both the application interface and the programming part of it.